Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a cards in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Express app. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the app will be open like this. Now simply we have to click on the search all templates, and after clicking on the search all templates, we have to search for the cards. So I'm going to write the cards here. After writing the cards, as you can see, a lot of designs and templates will be displayed here. Now we have to choose that which type of template or design we want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after choosing, as you can see, has the option for the remix this template. So we have to click on the remix this template, and we will be redirected to the editing mode. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it goes there. So as you can see, now we are here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to choose if you want to edit the color of this, or if you want to edit each and everything. You can control and you can change and delete and add each and everything. So simply if you want to edit the text, do a double tap on the text, and as you can see, now you can edit the text, and then simply you have to hit the right button. If you want to change the shape, color, and delete, if you want to delete the shape, create a duplicate, and order and adjust opacity, all options are provided here. You can control them, you can change them, you can delete them, and after doing these all things, you have to hit the done. And now simply if you want to download, you have to click on the download, and now you have to choose that which type of image you want to download, and then simply you have to hit the download, and the image will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create cards in Adobe Express app. So see you guys in the next video.